Hello, who is?
Oh shit, wrong number.
Oh, so you got the wrong number. Not your brother who you haven't spoken to in 10 years. How dare you?
I was trying to call Emperor Palpatine.
He's a bloody dickhead and his factory look like a ballsack. I don't care if I offend you. Look, you can't even breathe. You got that helmet on. I told you 20 years ago, stop smoking bloody 20 packets of Marlboro Red a day. And what do you do? Now you got the asthma and you can't even breathe and you're gonna wear a mask. How's your wife? She was a sweet girl. Barney. What was her name? Barney.
Padme.
Ah, Ped. Yeah. How's she gone?
I accidentally strangled her.
You got the problem in the Brian.
I haven't been with a woman in years.
I bet you've been doing a lot of hand solo. You know what? Everybody water. Your son Luca, your daughter Lee. Everybody very water. And what happened to your best friend Obi-Wan Kenobi? He was a good man. You stuff him up too? You stuff everybody up. You have an addiction. And it needs to stop.
You don't know the power of the dark side. I am Darth Vader.
Your name is not Darth Vader. Your name is Dario Vincenzo. That's your name. And you have denounced your name.
Dario Vincenzo is no more. I rule this galaxy.
Oh, Mr. Big Shot has to rule the universe and the galaxy. You know how many enemies you have? Everybody hates you. You bloody dickhead, everybody hates you.
Good. Mama doesn't hate me.
You haven't even spoken to our mama, or written a letter, or anything. Make a phone call, stupid.
Well, if you didn't offend me by eating the last cotoletta at Christmas...
And you're just a piece off, you move out, you move away. To a galaxy far away from everybody. Why don't you come down and have a coffee? Come back to the house. I'll get my wife Maria to make you a beautiful meal.
I cannot.
You can't? Alright. You know what? I tried after 10 years. I tried to talk to my brother. And you break my heart. You don't want to talk to us, we don't want to talk to you. Plus, we took you off Mama's will. Bye.
No!